Hello, welcome back. Today we are opening CURATEUR. This is a subscription box and it's quarterly. And okay, the last time I opened this, I was like, "Ugh, they got rid of the little magazine." They're like, someone commented down below, "Oh yeah, they got rid of it because they were saving on paper." And I was like, "Okay, I get that, but I kind of missed the magazine." Guess what? They just have one piece of paper instead of a whole magazine now. So basically it'll give you a description of everything that's inside. So without further ado, we're gonna open this up. Oh yeah, and by the way, I did not open it up prior, so I am going to be just as surprised as you are what's inside. Okay, starting with Cora. Okay, Cora Beauty, love that. Organics, turmeric brightening, exfoliating mask, 2-in-1. Okay, let's check this out, see what we think. Okay, there you go. Beautiful packaging. It's gold. And let's see if it's open. So I guess, yeah, well, I'm not going to open it because it has a silver thing on it. Basically, it's a 2-in-1 mask, but I don't know why it's 2-in-1. Let's see if it says why. Oh, exfoliating and brightening. Okay, got it. Okay, so they usually have one bit of makeup, one bit of clothing, and then, well, I'll show you. Next is, okay, this. It's all packaged up. Oh, okay, it's a purse. Okay, here's the thing I love. I always say this. Here's the thing I love. I have a lot of purses. Maybe I don't need a new purse, but guess what? I go to birthday lunches and breakfast and girlfriends, and someone might love getting this purse. How cute is this? Although I kind of like it. It's crocodile. Oh, I like the pattern. Oh, and it's, okay, it's got a shoulder strap and a handle. So 2 different ways to wear it. Okay, love that. Gorgeous. And who is this by? This is by Aota. Okay, love that. So a nice little purse. Great, love that. Then what's the next thing? Let's see here. It says here, oh, and then it tells you a little bit about each product. Well, let me just say what it says about the Core Organics. All of Core products are incredible, but this mask, a clear favorite of mine and a must for fall. Whenever I need that extra glow to my skin, a natural instant magic. Okay, then Aota. Here's what it says about the purse. Everything I chose for this custom on is on update on the classic piece, and this mock croc bucket bag is a perfect example of what I believe you can never have too many black bags. Or maybe sometimes you can, but then you give it away as a gift. Okay, all right, so I'll keep going. This here, what is this? Is this some sort of bonus item? Well, okay, it's not even in this thing. It's like a scarf. It's like an ombre. Okay, how freaking gorgeous is this? It's an ombre scarf. Look at the coloring on this. It goes from light to dark, and it's a scarf. Okay, and it's not even in here. Like, why did I even get this? What is happening right now? Okay, I love this. Okay, someone is not going to be getting this gift from me. I love this so much. Okay, I don't even know why I got this in here. Is that a mistake? What is happening? Okay, we move on. Next, okay, usually they have a little item of jewelry, and this looks like jewelry here. So this is, okay, and sometimes you get to choose. I feel like I didn't get the email that I got to choose. Okay, but, okay, oh, love this. Okay, this is the, look at this link. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. Okay, and I hope my daughters don't watch this video because they're not getting this, but they come and steal all my stuff. You should have seen, we went to Vegas for my daughter's 21st birthday last weekend, and literally, if you look at my Instagram, they literally, every one of her girlfriends is wearing something of mine, be it a jacket, a pair of shoes, one of her sister's dresses. So anyways, they steal my stuff, but they're not stealing this one. Okay, Lauren Stewart, choice item. I love a chunky ring. Oh wait, no, that's the ring. Oh, the toggle wrap bracelet. Oh, so actually it's a wrap bracelet. Wait, stop it. Okay, look, you wrap it and it's double. It's a double. Okay, that's incredible. I don't think I can. Anyways, look at it. How cute is that? So can you see? It's a double wrap bracelet. Oh my goodness, I love that so much. Okay, how cool is that? And it says, like all Lauren Stewart's pieces, this bracelet offers just the right amount of edge and statement, yet looks so effortless. Ooh, okay. I actually love that bracelet so much. Okay, let's keep going. This is a free gift. Okay, free gift. So basically she usually gives you five items. Apparently this is a 6th item. It's, what is this? Good Fortune by Victor and Rolf. Look at how cute this little container is. It's like a little purple container. Let's see if we like this, okay? Oh yeah, that's nice and light. Put a little on my wrist. How cute is that? That's so cute. That might be a good little stocking stuffer. Again, I hope my girls don't watch this. They might be getting that in their Christmas stocking. It says Victor and Rolf. Victor and Rolf's new fragrance is a lovely, warm floral scent which makes perfect for fall season and all year round. Love that. Okay. And we go. Now, there's usually a makeup item, and this looks like, yes, this is a Laura Geller. And she has 2 different colorways. There's a rose colored one. And see, I always go for the neutrals. Let me show you really quick. So there, I don't know if you can see that, but this is more the rose color, and this is the neutral palette. And, but let's see what I got. I don't know. We got to open it up and see. You know, I love me a palette, good palette. I'm obsessed with makeup. Really, I am. It's a problem. Sephora just had their sale. Did you watch my short? I made it yesterday, a short on the things I bought. I bought a Fenty little duet thing. Oh, I got the rose. Okay, you know what? It's probably good that I got the rose colored one because I'm always wearing like neutral colors in my makeup. So maybe I'll do a tutorial on this one. Love that. Okay. It says, keep it casual. Laura Geller, the casual collection, beige and brown, 14 multi-finish eyeshadows. I think this is the, maybe it is the beige and brown. Wait a minute. Oh, it is the beige and brown. I don't know why I just kind of looked, but I did get the beige and brown. What do you know? Still stuck with beige and brown. Love it though. And maybe I will do a makeup tutorial. Okay, moving on. How about this last item? So excited for this. This sucker is the shawl. Look at this, a camel colored shawl. And I'm gonna rip into it right this second. Yes, please, I love a shawl. Oh, and if you hear a lovely noise in the background, that would be my next door neighbor's gardener. Thank you. It's like, oh, it's a slip-on. Okay, it's got a little V here, you know, for your head, and then it's got fringe on the end. Love that. So I love a shawl, I honestly do, and it's getting cold, finally. It's finally getting wintry around here. So there you have it. CURATEUR by Rachel Zoe, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to love God and love others, and I'll see you next week. Bye.